How to hide battery percentage on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to hide battery percentage on Android devices, no matter whichever model it is, like Vivo, Oppo, and Huawei, and many more. So, when you see at the top right corner of the screen, as you can see, there is 9% written next to a small box. That means our battery percentage. So if you wish to hide it, then make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to open the settings on your Android device. On the settings page, when you scroll all the way down, you will see the battery option which is underneath safety and emergency option. Just open it. So here you can easily see the battery uses bar and many more options. Just you need to select is show battery level in status bar at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see time notification icon, battery style and battery percentage. Just tap on battery percentage and you have to select do not show. Currently it has been set to outside battery icon. Just select do not show and once done, when you see at the top right corner of the screen, there is no any battery percentage. So that is how we successfully hide battery percentage on Android. You can easily apply to any of your device or Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.